back to my YouTube channel. Another night, another day, another vlog, another video guys. At kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, ay welcome ka dito. Don't forget to subscribe guys, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell for more update to my video. And for today's video guys, I'm going to share with you or teach you on how I made or edit my YouTube thumbnail. So if you're interested in this video guys, just keep on watching. So guys, we're here now in my cell phone or in my home screen, and the app that we're going to use is this app of PIXELLAB. And guys, I will put the link down below of the app of PIXELLAB so that you can easily download it. So guys, let's find the app of PIXELLAB. That P, blue one, tap that. And tap the console. And then, as you can see guys, you can see the new text. So, tap that one and delete. Okay. And then guys, there's a lot of features down below in here guys. You can find, you can choose whatever you want in here guys. But we're only gonna use the default feature, and then we should find the size of the YouTube thumbnail. So we click this in the upper side, these three dots, and image size, and custom, the arrow, click that one, and then YouTube thumbnail 16:9, okay. And then guys, we're going to add a picture. So tap that plus in the upper left side in mine, from gallery, and then this one. I like my background blurred guys, so I choose this one. So guys, tap this 16:9, that one, and adjust it and check. And then adjust it guys. Wait. I cannot adjust it. Yes. That one guys. And then plus, tap that plus from gallery, and this one. So guys, if you're interested or if you don't know guys how I did this picture, like erase the background, I will make another video guys, and if you like, just comment down below so that I can make one. So adjust it and check, and then adjust it. So adjust, yes, that one. So guys, I like to put some text in here, and text, and adjust, tap and click the A plus in down below, and then edit. Let's put how to. Okay. And then color. I used to adjust the color and gradient, and this one. And then font. Let's find perfect font. Grand Hotel Regular, yes. And then shadow, enable that one. Inner shadow, enable that one. Emboss, enable. Perspective, enable. 3D text, enable. And then you just adjust here in 4. Yes, that one. And adjust the size. And I will put in here this. That one. So guys, add again a text. Let's put here make. And okay. And then again guys, color, gradient, font. So guys, let's find a font, another font. This broken 15. Okay, and then let's find, okay, shadow check, inner shadow check, emboss check, 3D again, 4, check. And then make it smaller, guys. So guys, there's one good feature in here, guys, because if you like to make your text curve, you can adjust in the curve, and then like that, wait, like that, guys, you can do that. It's like an arco. So that one. So add again a text. Edit, YouTube. Okay, just like how we do it last, guys. Use the font again, broken 15. Edit. Let's put here thumbnail. Okay. That one, guys, how to make YouTube thumbnail. So guys, after I make all the text, I like to use it lock, because if we add another text or another sticker, it may move away, guys. So let's click in this layer above, that one, and click this lock. Click that one and tap again, that one, guys. So it's locked. So guys, I like to put some sticker in here, and let's choose this one. So I like this to that one, and 100% real, like that, guys. So let's save that, guys. Save as image and save to gallery. And after we save that, guys, I like to put a picture in here in my cell phone that I'm tapping, and add again from gallery, and then we click the picture that we saved recently. So click that one and adjust, so that, and I will put that here, guys, that. And that, guys, save again. And if you like to view the full screen, that one. So guys, that is the final thumbnail that we made. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell for more updates on my video. So guys, I will just put the link down below, the app of PIXELLAB. And if you like me to do the tutorial video on how I delete the background of this picture, just comment down below, guys, so that I can make. So guys, see you on my next vlog. Bye bye.